So for our N1 side-emitting Neoloop link cords, in that kit you will receive 2 metal clips, 2 sets of plastic clips, and the link cord itself. To install the link cord, you will first start with your metal clip. It goes on the non-light emitting surface, so this lighter color is the surface that the light comes out of. So you want to turn the tape neon over and install from that side. Push it in and repeat that process on the other side. You'll then take the link cord. The metal prongs on the link cord go between the circuit board and the plastic housing. To do that, you'll install them from this end and slide the prongs between the circuit board and the plastic backer. At that point, this end is nearly complete. You will install the bottom piece that goes, the bottom plastic piece. Push that in, and then you'll install the top plastic piece. And you'll hear a click when that's installed correctly. You'll then repeat this same process on the other side. Again, the metal prongs on the link cord go between the circuit board and the plastic backer. So slide that in. Again, start with your bottom plastic piece. Push the Neoloop into that. Push all the way down. Again, then your top piece comes on. These are a tight fit to ensure stuff doesn't come out. And you'll hear that positive click when it's fully engaged.